PlayStation has suspended their advertising on Facebook, joining a number of other brands that are doing the same thing. It's some sort of Facebook advertising boycott. There's a hashtag around it. You know how that goes, Will. Once you put a hashtag on it, the brands, they just bounce. Some sort of boycott, hashtag, the brands, they bounce. They don't want to be accused of anything. They're trying to get you to buy something. They want to be loved universally by everyone. Well, there's a hashtag, Stop Hate for Profit. There's a feeling, there's a group. I have to admit, I'm not heavy into the background around this particular hashtag, but the rough idea is that this group feels Facebook is not doing enough to counter hate on the platform. They feel that Twitter and Twitch, most recently, they feel some of these brands are answering to the request of users, where users are saying, we want these actions to take place. And then if the actions don't take place, they put pressure on the brand to bounce. You've seen it happen. Some brands are getting ahead of it. Some brands are in agreement with it. Others maybe less so. This list now includes Coca-Cola, Honda, Unilever, Ford, Starbucks, Microsoft, and you can add PlayStation to that list that are bouncing off Facebook. You got to believe at some point, Facebook is going to get upset at some point. You got to believe. This is dollars, Will. You can count this. You can put this in a spreadsheet.
Yeah.
The investors eventually look at it and say, what's going on here? What happened to the ad revenue? PlayStation said in a statement, in support of the hashtag Stop Hate for Profit campaign, we've globally suspended our Facebook and Instagram activity. Don't you forget Instagram, Facebook product, including advertising and non-paid content. Think about that. They're not going to be posting on either of those platforms to promote their upcoming PS5. That's a big deal.
Oh, yeah.
But over here, they say until the end of July. We stand for working and playing together for good. I think this is a tough campaign. I mean, how do you get rid of hate? It's so vague. It's so huge. Hate. I can't hit any of these social media platforms without feeling it.
No.
Now, I understand you want to do something. You want to have some process for attacking things that are happening on your platform that may be influencing people's experiences. But more importantly, Will, the dollars, money talks, ladies and gentlemen. Most importantly, these platforms cease to exist if the advertisers bounce. So if the pressure keeps getting applied to the advertiser, it makes its way back regardless of your philosophical ideology, wherever you land on the thing. So anyway, PlayStation is joining that group at least until the end of July. Maybe they come rushing back with the PS5 ads when they got to sell a few things and they need those users. I don't know. We'll see.